Hey gorgeous, welcome. This video is a detailed tutorial on DIY banana hair mask for healthy hair growth. If you're new, you are most welcomed. Consider subscribing. In this channel, I talk about hair and a little bit of healthy living. To make this hair mask, of course we need banana. I'm using 3 fully ripe banana because banana contains minerals that can thicken and strengthen hair. It has antimicrobial properties that can heal dry, flaky scalp, which makes it excellent for treating dandruff. So if you're looking for a hair mask, a deep conditioning treatment to treat dandruff or weak or thin hair, then consider trying this hair mask for a thicker, shiny, healthy hair growth. So I go ahead to peel my banana and cut it into small chunks to make blending easy. And this whole step, you can do it directly into your blender, add up all the ingredients and blend right away. So now that we have our banana ready, next is aloe vera. I'm incorporating aloe vera into this deep conditioning mask because aloe vera is a natural conditioner. It has anti-inflammatory properties to soothe and nourish both our hair and our scalp. It can help hydrate hair strand and moisturize our scalp. Aloe vera has so much benefit for our hair and our scalp. It also has healing properties to alleviate itching and irritated scalp. If you have thinning hair, if your hair is experiencing weakness, then try aloe vera. Try incorporating aloe vera into this deep conditioning mask, or just follow the step-by-step and recreate this mask, and your hair strand and scalp will thank you. So right away, I go ahead to peel my aloe vera, then cut the aloe vera gel right into my bowl with banana. Now I'm doing this because I'm working with limited time, so I'm trying to be as fast as I can. But if you have the time, then I will recommend you scrape out your aloe vera gel, blend it separately or juice it out separately, then remove the chunks and before you add it into your banana or with other mixtures or other things that we are going to be adding right into this mask. This is to avoid having residues on your hair that could make washing your hair take a little longer time. Next, we have our apple cider vinegar, aka ACV. Now, I'm adding apple cider vinegar into this mask to help balance the pH level of our hair and scalp. And in here, I'm using just a tablespoon of this apple cider vinegar. Next, I'm adding honey. I'm using a tablespoon of honey right into this mask. Honey is a humectant and a natural conditioner. It helps to lock in moisture and give our hair that kind of lustrous shine our hair deserves. Next, I'm going in with a tablespoon of neem seed oil. Neem seed oil helps to prevent hair loss. It has fatty acid that can keep our hair and scalp healthy. And next is a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to penetrate our hair shaft deeply to promote healthy hair growth and thicker, bouncy hair. Next is rosemary essential oil. I went in with about 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. It helps to promote healthy hair and healthy scalp. So everything has been combined and it is time to blend. You can do this whole thing, this whole process in your blender, but here I'm using a hand blender. And also you can even achieve the same result with fork. Sometimes I use my fork and mix the whole thing together and just mash up everything and achieve the same result. The only difference is that it takes longer time. If this takes me about 2 minutes to achieve, it may take me like up to 30 minutes to achieve this with my fork as well. Okay, so this took me less than a minute to whip it up, and it is time for me to go ahead and apply this on my hair. So to apply this hair mask, I want to make sure I'm applying this hair mask on a clean hair and clean scalp. So I'm going to be cleaning my scalp, thoroughly cleaning my hair, making sure my hair and scalp is clean and ready to accept this hair mask. So this is me trying to kind of do a length check. It's been a while I tried this, and I'm amazed at the few inches my hair is gathering lately. So in I go with my moisturizing shampoo to clean my hair and my scalp, most importantly my scalp. Then I took time to massage my scalp thoroughly, make sure that my scalp is clean. I'm not applying this hair mask on a dirty scalp. So I spent quite a little time massaging my scalp, trying to awaken my hair follicles, getting them awake and prepared for the hair mask. So once I'm done with my shampoo, I rinsed off with warm water. Now ideally it is recommended to rinse off with warm water. This will help to open up pores and help the banana hair mask to penetrate deeply and faster into your hair shaft and hair follicles. Or another option is to warm up your hair mask, like put your hair mask in a hot water or warm water to kind of warm it up, and then apply it right into your hair. So once I'm done washing, I kind of dampened with my towel just to reduce moisture before going ahead with my mask. Ideally, it is always recommended to start applying your hair mask from the tip of the hair towards the root. So I go ahead to apply my banana hair mask, saturate my hair with this mask. I took a section at a time, making sure that a section is well saturated before moving to the next section. And then I took time to also retouched each section. I went back into each section and reapplied the remaining hair mask, and also kind of finger detangle while applying the mask. While I'm still talking about this banana hair mask, have you subscribed? If you have not, take a little break and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy this video or find this video helpful, I would like you to give me a big thumbs up and a hearty smiley in the comment section. This will motivate me to create more quality helpful content like this. So right after taking time to massage this banana hair mask right into my hair and scalp, I covered my hair with a plastic shower cap. This will help to introduce mild heat and help this banana hair mask to penetrate deeply into my hair strands and my hair follicles. Now, I have low porosity hair, and I like to leave this on my hair for just 30 minutes. If you have high porosity hair, you may consider leaving it for 20 to 25 minutes, but nothing longer than 40 minutes. This is to avoid having moisture overload, and moisture overload can be caused when you leave deep conditioning treatment on your hair for longer period of time, and it could lead your hair to split and break. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy.